Hey YouTubers, so in front of you I've got my, I said it was a turkey fig, it's not actually, it's a Little Miss Figgy. The turkey fig got rid of and I replaced it for this one, which it's got quite a good character already, but it's time to repot it. I want to put it from that into that. So we've got a lot of reduction to do, plus I don't like all these little weedy things coming. It's not good. Not good. Alright, first things first, get rid of that for now. And we'll take it out the pot. Yes, it's not as bad as I thought it was. Let's get rid of that. Yeah. Now, what I've read up on turkey figs or fruit figs for eating is they like to be root bound in a pot, and what that does is it makes it produce more fruits. I didn't know that. I wondered by the manor house, they've got this huge, it's a fig tree now, but it's in a pot, and that was why they didn't just neglect it and leave it in that pot. It's because it fruits more. Now I'm just going to try and zoom you in a bit. I want to remove some of this wire. Because that's going to be in my way for when I want to repot. Should have got the better wire cutters to be precise. Oh, they are shite. I can't use them. I can't use bloody them. Let's try these ones. Like, these ones don't open and shut on their own, but they cut better. Let's just zoom you out. Can't see diddly squat with me like that, can you? Right, I think that'll do for the wire. I may not even need all that wire on this tree now. Those branches may have stuck to the shape they've been wired to. So now, what we want to do, remove all that for now. And get our little forky thing. Just start forking back. Now this is pretty tough going. I expect it's been in that pot since it was a stick, like the cutting. I'm not certain on that, but it is pretty tough going. It's very rooty. Now, really got to work to get these roots out. It is a tangled mess. Not only that, there's still too much rootage to get in that pot that I've chosen. So what we're going to need to do is get my saw, and then we'll saw whatever I don't need. Now, I wouldn't advise doing this at home, because the saw blade is biting into my fingers as we speak. So just don't try this at home. But it's done the job. I just need to cut a few roots off just to detach it. Treat it mean to keep it keen. Hey, there we have it. There we have. That's how much I took. You're never meant to take 1/4 of the root mass off, but I didn't do that. I've done more than that. Am I scared? No. No, I'm not scared. Not scared. Not scared yet. Not scared yet. Alright. Broke that one off, but I didn't want that one so low to there anyway, so that isn't a problem. Right, let's get that out of the way. Got to think how you're going to have it in the tree. What sort of angle do you want that? And I sort of want it at that angle, there it was at. Possibly a little bit higher, up like that way a bit. Yeah. Now, what we do is I've made a bonsai mix already. I used the akadama, pumice and lava rock and a bit of compost, all purpose. Good. Put that in there like that. Look at it like that and make sure you've got all the rootage out, and if not, you could always cut some off. Yeah, I think we'll go for that. That is how we're going to have that in that pot. I'm happy with how that looks. So I've got this going up like here, I might have it at a bit of a different angle. Yeah, I think just stick with that. think we're going to stick with that, laddie. Now what we will do is we will gently fill the pot with my bonsai soil mix. And I actually got a good deal. I got 14 litres of Akadama for 25 quid. And that was an eBay job. And I thought, well, that's a lot better than 40 that it is on Amazon. So 25 quid. That ain't too bad. We'll see how good it is. But yeah, it looked good. It was from a shop. So yeah, fingers crossed. So I found these roots above the soil line, so I'm going to snip them off and hopefully they won't be the ones that kill the tree because it's got no roots. But you don't know these. You're never going to learn if you don't try these things. So I've tried it. I have tried it. So we'll see if this survives. Now I'm not using wires to wire this tree in, as it will be staying indoors with my other tropical trees, so it's not going to get blown away by wind and all sorts. So that is what we got, YouTubers. So my little Miss Figgy fig, and we took a lot of rootage out. I expect you'll want to stay tuned to see if I've killed this tree or if it thrives. Now I'm going to give that a water, and then we're going to put her straight back under lights because it's December. But if you've enjoyed watching this and you want to see more of this tree, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ta-da for now. Gizzy Green Fingers.